Welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird of the day is the Cason's finch. It's very similar in appearance to the house finch, but it is much less common. I've never seen this one before. My sister and I departed for Garden of the Gods, in hopes of seeing a Cason's finch that had been reported a day prior.
Wanna see him?
The first bird we saw was a chicken. The rocks sheltered a colony of feral rock pigeons. Rock pigeons are a once domesticated species of dove. It is thought that we domesticated pigeons over 5,000 years ago. There were more than just pigeons living in the rocks, though. Robins foraged among the rocks, and we spotted a pair of red-tailed hawks. We left the rock field and entered the nearby woods.
Deer in the sun.
We saw magpies, a raven, a man trapped in a squirrel's body. We had a great look at a solitaire. We found some livestock. A horse.
And his friend the chicken.
And a Cooper's hawk. A bird that I had failed to find on a past bird of the day. Finally, we reached the parking lot, and I spotted one last bird. A white-crowned sparrow hiding underneath the car. Our day ended with a spooked rabbit, and I left the Cason's finch to be found another day.